subscribe with notifications on.
As tourists, they understand. That's why you see there's a lot of cruise ships that are going there. There's a lot of activities, a lot of things. Barcelona, it's a holiday destination. Cape Town is also a holiday destination. Johannesburg is also a holiday destination. Pretoria, holiday destination. Most of these places, when it's full, when it's come December time, it's full in South Africa. But now, these are people from who doesn't have the fear to travel to Africa. Okay, I would say maybe some of the things that is stopping us traveling to European countries, we're thinking maybe money-wise, maybe it's expensive. It's expensive for us. You know, we're thinking, hey, because you know what, guys, it's true. It's true. You know, a 2-liter juice in Italy, you buy it for about, I think it's about 6 point something euros or 5 point something euros. Imagine how much is 1 euro. 1 euro is about almost 20 rand. 20 rand. If whenever you are able to buy a juice here, a bottle, 2 liter of juice here in South Africa for about 30 rand. I mean, 1 euro is about 20 rand. So yeah, what about now if it's 6 euros? 120 for a 2 liter juice. And a bread is about 1.5 euros. There are some breads for 0.187 euros, for 1.2 euros. More than 20 rand a bread. And their bread is not like our bread in South Africa. It's such a tiny bread like this. Our South African bread is bigger. Yeah, you can eat as a family. So these are some of the things that is stopping us as South Africans to travel, because you're thinking life is expensive. And these people, when they come from Europe to Africa, they enjoy because of, I mean, come on, you've got 10 euros. You know how much is 10 euros, bruh? It's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. If 1 euro is about 20 rand, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it's 100 rand. 200 rand, 10 euros. For them, it's nothing, it's like 10 rand. You understand? I was in Italy, I bought a pizza. How much was that pizza? Hey, I spent a lot of money. They charged me, I think, something like 15, 17 euros. 17 euros for a pizza. Huh? Imagine. More than 300 rand. More than 400 rand. A pizza. When you are buying pizza here in South Africa for about 180, 150, 140, 120, 99 rand. Then in Italy you will never find something like this. So maybe somehow we might think South Africans are lazy to travel, South Africans are scared to travel, but because of those type of things. And guys, let me just give you tips. If you want to travel to Europe, you better go to a cruise ship because it's better. Cruise ship, once you pay, you buy a cruise ticket. It's cheaper, man. You can buy a cruise ship for about 10,000 rand. Once a year, just spoil yourself. That 10,000 rand, 11,000 rand, 12,000 rand, you can get an inside stateroom. If you need something like a suite, you can get something like for 14,000 rand, 15,000 rand is suite. But a normal room will cost something like maybe 9,000, 7,000 rand. And listen to me, everything is paid for. Accommodation, room service, entertainment, food, drinks, and all those type of things. And you get to travel to many countries. The cruise ship will take you from, let me just say an example, from Rome. It will take you to France. It will take you to another part of Italy. It will take you to Barcelona. It will take you to Mallorca. It will take you to Greece. It will take you to Turkey, and all those things. And it's very cheap. So I'll suggest, my advice, if you want to travel to Europe, do that. Don't go and book a hotel. Don't. You are going to suffocate yourself. You are going to suffer. financially. Because a hotel, you pay something like a day, almost 2,000 rand. What is expensive? 2,000 rand per night. It's expensive. Especially now, if you want to go during holiday time, where it's busy summertime. Their summer starts from May, June, July, August, September. Um, uh, yeah, September, somewhere there. It's still summer on their side. June is summertime, it's very hot. That's why you see most of us, my trips, I always take them in June, in the winter time. From South Africa, I leave. I run away from South Africa. I go to Europe. So, my advice to you, if you want to travel to Europe, book a cruise ship. Better. Better. If you want to find a cheaper flight, you can go to cheapflights.com. Cheapflights.com. You can enter any destination you want. They cover any destination, those people. You'll have a lineup of all airlines. The list like this. The cheapest price goes on top. The second cheapest, second, third cheapest, third, like that. Multiple airlines. So you can see, okay, this one. I can go with this one. I can go with this one. Very cheap. Flights are very cheap. You think it's expensive to travel, but it's not expensive. So that's my advice, guys. But we'll keep on sharing about these ideas and so forth as time goes on. Understand? So, guys, help me answer those concerns that I have. Let me see what we can do as time goes on. But I'll keep you posted, guys. Tomorrow, when I've got time, I'll go out and do some street interviews and all those type of things. But let us do that, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Right? Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it.